In a quiet riverside village, a brilliant boy named Ben and a courageous girl named Lucy faced an extraordinary challenge. The village elder had foreseen a massive flood that would engulf their homeland. The villagers were desperate, but Lucy came up with an audacious idea: to design a floating city that could rise above the floodwaters. Ben, known for his inventive mind, joined Lucy in this ambitious endeavor. The duo quickly got to work, drawing up plans for a city that would not only float but also house all the villagers safely. Their design combined Lucy's engineering skills with Ben's knack for innovation. But their journey was far from easy. Rival inventors from the neighboring village, jealous of Ben and Lucy's brilliance, sought to sabotage their work. They spread rumors, destroyed prototypes, and even tried to steal their blueprints. Refusing to give up, Ben and Lucy decided to keep their work secret. They built their floating city prototype in a hidden cave. Every night, by the glow of lanterns, they worked tirelessly, using bamboo, lightweight metals, and eco-friendly materials. One night, while testing the prototype, disaster struck. A rival spy tampered with the stabilizing mechanism, causing the structure to collapse. Though heartbroken, Lucy refused to let failure define them. She rallied the villagers, sharing their vision and asking for help. Moved by their determination, the villagers joined forces, pooling resources and offering ideas. United, the team rebuilt the floating city, making it sturdier and more efficient. When the floodwaters began to rise, the rival sabotage reached a desperate peak. They spread false warnings to deter the villagers from boarding. But Ben had a backup plan, a signal flare that lit up the sky, guiding everyone to safety. As the flood engulfed the village, the floating city rose gracefully above the waters, carrying the people to safety. The rival inventors, overwhelmed by guilt and admiration, apologized and offered to help maintain the city. Moral of the story: collaboration and resilience triumph over adversity. When faced with challenges, unity and persistence can turn dreams into reality.